It's not because you're getting older. It's because your body is slowly losing the ability to activate its own strength. And most people don't even realize it's happening until simple things start feeling harder. Standing up, climbing stairs, keeping your balance. But before I show you how to fix it, let's run a quick 30-second test. This will tell you if your pain is coming from real weakness or just a disconnected body. Start with 5 points. Give yourself -1 point for each of these you struggle with. Can you stand up from a chair without using your hands? Can you hold a wall sit for 20 seconds without knee pain? Lying on your back, can you lift your legs slightly off the ground while keeping your lower back pressed down? Can you hold the bottom of a push-up, even on your knees, for at least 10 to 15 seconds? Can you stay stable in a low squat or wide stance without losing balance? 5 points means your strength is still there, but not fully activated. Drop your score in the comments. Seriously, do it now. Because later in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to eliminate that pain, and I want you to come back and see how much you've improved. Now here's where most people go wrong. They think pain means they need more reps, more weight, more effort. But after 50 or 60, that approach often makes pain worse, not better. You don't need more movement, you need better activation. So, if pushing harder is actually increasing your pain, what's the smarter way? Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple Shaolin-style isometric holds that help eliminate pain without destroying your joints. No jumping, no heavy lifting, no endless repetitions. Just controlled tension that teaches your body how to support itself again. These aren't exercises to make you look fit, they're designed to keep you pain-free, capable of moving without discomfort, capable of supporting your own body, capable of staying independent. Because real strength isn't about lifting heavy, it's about moving without pain when it actually matters. Now let's start where most pain begins, your core. If your lower back aches, this is where everything starts. Not your legs, not your posture, your core. Most people try to fix back pain with crunches or sit-ups, but those only train surface muscles. The deep muscle that actually protects your spine stays inactive. Deep inside your core is your natural support system. When it's working, your spine feels stable and pain-free. When it's not, even sitting or bending starts to hurt. So, instead of doing more, we're going to turn that system back on. Lie flat on your back, press your lower back firmly into the floor like you're crushing a coin. Tighten your glutes, lift your legs slightly. Reach your arms overhead and hold. If your lower back lifts, stop. That means you've lost the connection. Start easier if needed. Bend your knees. Keep your arms by your sides. Lift your head slightly and hold for 15 seconds. Then slowly build up week by week. This isn't about ABS. This is about removing pressure from your lower back so everyday movements stop hurting. Now let's move to one of the biggest sources of daily pain, your knees. If your knees hurt when you squat, now that your knees are starting to feel stronger, we fix the next hidden cause of pain. Your hips. If you feel stiff, unstable, or off balance, your hips are usually the problem. Most people try to stretch them, but tight hips are often not a flexibility issue. They're a stability issue. Your body locks your hips to protect you. Step your feet wide. Turn your toes slightly out. Lower your hips straight down while keeping your chest tall. Push your knees outward and hold. Start shallow and build depth over time. Now we move to your upper body, where a lot of people feel pain in their shoulders. If pushing movements hurt, it doesn't mean you should stop. It means your shoulders need stability. Get into a push-up position. Lower yourself slowly until you're just above the ground, then hold. If it's too hard, do it on your knees or against a wall. This builds strength without irritating your shoulders, so everyday pushing movements stop hurting. Now for the final piece, full body connection. Because pain doesn't just come from weak muscles. It comes from your body not working together. Get on your hands and knees. Lift your knees slightly off the floor. Keep your back flat and hold. You'll feel your core, shoulders, and legs all working together. This teaches your body how to move as one unit, which is what removes pain from real-life movement. Start with 15 seconds and build up to a full minute. Now think back to your score from the beginning. Pain doesn't appear overnight. It builds slowly. First instability, then discomfort, then you start avoiding movement. And over time, your world gets smaller. When your body learns how to activate its strength again, pain starts to fade. Movement feels easier. Confidence comes back. And most importantly,